Good day, listeners. You're tuned into our news podcast where we break down today's most pressing education issues. This is Campus Connect.ph. I am Jake.
And I am Claire. In today's episode, we will look into the Department of Education decision to sue seven private schools over alleged ghost beneficiaries in the senior high school voucher program, involving nearly 61.9 million pesos in public funds.
Claire, why do you think it is important that DepEd filed both criminal and administrative cases?
It is important because it is a proof that they follow their oath of being honest to the public about their shortcomings. Now, let me ask you this, Jake. What do you think about the largest cost gap between DPWH built classroom and those built by private foundations?
Hmm, the significant cost difference between DPWH built classrooms and those constructed by private foundations raises questions about efficiency, transparency, and the potential for more cost effective solutions in government infrastructure projects.
This case indeed raises serious questions about how education funds are monitored.
That is all for this episode. Thank you for listening and stay informed as we continue to follow stories that shape Philippine education. Once again, this is
campusconnect.ph
campusconnect.ph.